Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to check your AirPods battery level on your Android device. So there is no built-in option available on your Android phone guys to check the battery level of your AirPods. So for this guys, you need to install one third-party application on your phone. First you need to open the Google Play Store on your phone, and here you need to search material pods AirPods battery. Just you need to search this app and download and install this app on your phone. I have already downloaded and installed this app. After this guys, just open this app. Now here you need to give the necessary permissions to your phone. As you can see guys, just give the all necessary permission asking. Here you can see guys, this application will only work with original headphones. Okay, just click on close, and now what you need to do, you need to remove your AirPods from your case. So here are the some instructions. As you can see, remove your AirPods from your case and connect with your Android phone. After this guys, wait for few seconds. It will display your AirPods battery level, as you can see guys in my screen. As well as guys, you can also see the battery level of your AirPods on your notification panel, as you can see guys. So this is the easy and very simple method to check the AirPods battery level on your Android phone. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.